morning. Ooh, look at him. Look at him. I am in friggin' love. Morning Cup of Joe. Today's video is going to be probably the best video I film this entire season. It's probably going to be the best one because it's the coffee bar. And it's putting out all things spooky and fun and adult child. I'm excited. I'm so excited. Okay. Your warm drink. Get cozy. Now it's a little chilly out here. Just a teeny bit chilly. Still a bright, beautiful day. I hope wherever you are, the weather is great. I hope if you were part of the storm stuff, that by the time you see this video, I hope that is gone and everything is back to normal and no losses is what I hope. But it's kind of a fall-ish day. It's, feels good out here. The leaves are changing. It's like a whole thing. It's a vibe. And I kind of want to decorate like out here because we do chat out here. And I do sit over there at night. I've migrated from here to over there at night because I do the fire pit over there. Kind of want to decorate just a little bit, maybe like a pumpkin or something or whatever. I don't know. Anyway, let's jump into today's video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you are not subscribed to this channel, we're up to like the third or fourth fall related kind of a video. Then what the hell are you waiting on? Sis, niece, nephew, come on. Click the red subscribe button, become a part of this amazing family. And yeah, let's jump into today's video. I hope it gives you all the warm and fuzzies, and I hope it gives you an idea of an area in your house. Watch how we just add that little something fun and whimsical, and then how quick you can take it away and still be able to appreciate whatever the damn season is. Okay, Auntie love you, and she got to go. Make a phone call or 2 or 3. Okay, so I got all our stuff laid out so I can see what I have. And I'm feeling like I don't have enough stuff, but we'll see. We're going to just play around with all the things that I have and then see how far we get. But my plan is to, this is my area right here as far as what I'm decorating mainly with all of this stuff. Is really the coffee bar area. So I'm going to be doing this area, but over there where it's still kind of spring, there. And then let me show you what I have left from last year. So I have, girl, I have this pumpkin, this one, which is actually a navy blue, but it looks black. So I think I'm going to use that with the Halloween stuff. And then these definitely look fall, but I've actually used them when it wasn't fall. So I brought those back out. And then I have this pumpkin. This is literally all my fall stuff. I don't even know what this is. This is just like some extra potpourri and then a candle from last year. Okay. Last year's stuff. This year's stuff. So let me see how far we get decorating our new tier tray. And I don't even know if this is going to fit. I want it to go here. Like this whole area is what we're working on. So let me, and then again, I kind of want to do something right there. I know y'all probably like, girl, let me show you. Let me just go ahead and show you. Don't mind that chair. That's a repair Ron has to do for someone. But look at here. I wanted to put those things in this vase here situation, but I mean, let me show you from this angle. I had to move this, which actually goes over here on beside that plant, but how? So that's here in the way. Look, the camera's not even doing it justice. I already know it's not, because I don't think you really get, it's just too damn much. Okay, let's go back to where my anxiety is. Good. Okay, so let's start decorating all our spooky stuff. Okay, this is it for now, and let's see what we can. Girl, if that ain't some sadness. Okay, let's go ahead and start. Get cozy, get your drink, get warm. Let's just enjoy all the things, y'all.
mixing up a magic potion.
Tell me that this is not fun and that you do not just want to be over here thinking you are in a full-on barista making you coffee in this fun adult area. I love everything up there. Okay, so as you can see, nothing ended up here either. Again, just nothing but the candle. I'm guessing probably the next video will be I just don't even, y'all, I don't even want to look over there. Okay, but I really do want to use those. I want to use that like the natural colored spray I showed you guys. I actually do want to use that color just even when it's not like fall. Like that's just kind of like what I'm liking now in decor. The very natural, neutral, light, airy. You can use it any time of the year. Like the woods. I'm leaning back more towards all things soft. So I do want to use those. But so maybe we'll do the entryway. I'm just dreading going over there, y'all. Like, and that's like the first thing you see when you walking out. So I hate to be like that, but it's just too much. Too much. But we'll figure it out. Anyway, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed today's coffee bar. I hope it gave you some inspiration. Or if nothing else, sis, I hope that you just enjoyed hanging out with your favorite aunt. You know, thank y'all for picking up the phone. Thank you for answering. Thank you for coming over. However it was we met and hung out today. Thank y'all for allowing me to be in y'all good graces. Now listen, auntie gotta go. I know you don't want me to. I know. I'm trying to be on my everyday game, right? I'm trying. I'm literally trying. Yeah. Bye, y'all. I realized after I had ended the video and was about to edit that I didn't share with you my old outfit of the day. This is actually pajamas. They high waters, but listen, they pajamas, like lounge wear. And it's from TJ Maxx. It's that soft, fuzzy fleece feeling. It's got little pockets on it. I mean, you could definitely run out to the store with this on, you know. But it's loungewear, actual pajamas in the pajama section. On the high water side, this is a large. If you want a more slouchier, baggier look, you could probably upsize it or two. You know, if you're going for the baggy look. But yeah, super comfortable, very fall appropriate, by the way. And again, it's that muted earth tone, like a green color. TJ Maxx. Don't say auntie never turned you on to nothing. Okay, I'm really going this time. Bye, y'all.